Clearing your search history on Facebook is a straightforward process that helps maintain your privacy and declutter your account. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open your web browser or the Facebook app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your activity log. On the desktop, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy, then click on Activity Log. On a mobile app, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then tap Activity Log. Step 3. Find your search history. In your activity log, look for the section labeled Filters or More and select Search History. This will display all your recent searches on Facebook. Step 4. Clear your search history. You can either delete individual searches by clicking on the 3 dots next to each search and selecting Delete, or you can clear all search history by choosing the option to clear searches if available. Step 5. Confirm deletion. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete your search history. Once confirmed, your search history will be cleared from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Facebook. Regularly doing this can help you maintain your privacy and keep your account organized.